Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GetResponse for landing pages that convert, complete guide step by step clearly. To download GetResponse, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the GetResponse website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the home page loads, locate the Start Free Trial button. Click on it to initiate the download process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Make sure to review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box indicating that you accept the terms. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Next, you may be prompted to confirm your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a confirmation email from GetResponse. Click the confirmation link provided in that email. After confirming your email, you will be taken back to the GetResponse platform. Here, you will be guided through setting up your account. Fill in additional details as prompted, such as your name and company information. Once your account setup is complete, you will have access to the GetResponse dashboard. To create landing pages, navigate to the Landing Pages section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Landing Page button to start building your page. Choose from the selection of templates that fit your needs. Once you select a template, you can customize it using the editor. Add elements like text blocks, images, and forms as needed. Make sure to optimize your landing page for conversions. Preview your page to see how it looks on different devices. When you're satisfied, click the Save button. Next, you can publish your landing page by clicking the Publish button. Finally, share your landing page link through your desired channels. You are now ready to start capturing leads with GetResponse. Utilize the analytics provided by GetResponse to track your landing page performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.